welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm in this Audi A5. It's a diesel. We have got engine light on. Okay, we've got the mass airflow fault on here, P0104. Now the mass airflow system goes back to a few things, really. I mean, the main thing would be the mass airflow sensor, which is on the air filter box itself. However, it's best to do a live data. Now I'm using the King Bowling K7, so you can do a live data to check the sensor itself. So for instance, we'll do this, we'll search mass, and then just mass, there we go, and we'll get a true data basically, and see what kind of figures we're getting, because as you may appreciate, the whole sensor, so as you can see, is nil. So that no. Okay, so what this means is, in the real world, if they were given figures, happy days, the fault must be elsewhere. However, we're getting like solid figures, so that means the sensor is actually faulty. So if I turn this rumble tractor off, and if we go under the hood, I'll show you where the sensor would be. But it's always best, in my opinion, to kind of do a live data first. So this is where your sensor is. This is the mass airflow sensor. This is what we recommend you change. Of course, get the original part number. I mean, I don't know how good you guys can see it, but every car's different, so make sure you get the correct part number. Change it. You don't need to code it, and you can just do a full scan and clear on the diagnostic, just to clear it off the fault, off the screen, in other words. But that's what's causing the problem. Now there's other things as well that can cause you. I have to track and trace, see if there is any crack within the system, but it will bring up a different kind of code. Depends how far you go into it. If it's the intercooler, it will say underboost. If it's the turbo, it will say underboost, supercharger, turbocharger, something daft like that. However, in this case, it is that, as you saw, the live data. So get that ordered online. Make sure it's the OEM part, and then jobs are good and really. And then you can just do a reset like I have.